Hey guys, we're gonna be doing a Philly cheesesteak today, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is get a ribeye and put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Hey Philly guys, I hope my accent makes you feel right at home. So yeah, let's get to work.
Alright guys, what's a Philly cheesesteak without white onion? So what I did was I cut a quarter white onion and put it in a pan with olive oil, and I lightly browned it, and then I took it off heat so we could start cutting the ribeye that we had in the freezer for 30 minutes. And what the freezer does, it makes it easier to cut thinner slices. And man, look at this magnificent piece of meat. The marbling is perfect, and that's what makes this meat succulent. And by the way, I know what you're thinking, this knife is the girliest knife you've ever seen, but it complements my eyes perfectly. So now we're going to add the thinly sliced ribeye to the pan with the olive oil, and this is going to be a quick process. We're going to have it at medium heat. Once it browns, we're going to add the onion, and if you added any other veggies in the mix, add that as well. And we're going to mix this up, put it on low, and this is when we're going to add the salt and pepper. And the reason why we wait until the meat browns is because with it being such a thin slice, the salt will dry it out if you add it before it browns. And this is the point that's the most exciting because it looks so damn good and it smells good, and this is when you can try it to see if you have the perfect amount of salt and pepper. Man, look at that. So while it's on low heat, we're gonna grab that Cheez Whiz, we're gonna put this American heart attack paste in a pot, and we're gonna frequently stir this until it's a melted cheese. And then we're gonna put it on low and tend to the Italian buns. And this is important, so cut it to the point where there's a hinge. You're not gonna cut it all the way through. You gotta keep all this goodness in the sandwich. And then we're gonna coat a pan with a lot of butter and place the buns on here until they're toasted. And this takes about 5 minutes on medium heat. And man, look at all this. And now for the best part, we're gonna plate it. So we're gonna put this amazing concoction of meat, onion, and bell peppers. We're gonna put the Cheez Whiz on here, and if you use provolone, put the provolone on. I recommend buying provolone and the Cheez Whiz and trying both to see what you like more. Personally, I like the provolone better, but the Cheez Whiz was good. It's just a little bit more intense for my liking. And then you gotta douse it with ranch. I don't know how I forgot that in this, but get some good ranch, put it in there, and look at it. Looks so good. Cut this baby in half and just go to town.
And hey Philly guys, I know you're gonna hate me for putting vegetables in here, but I'm Texan, so we like breaking the rules.
Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sure it made you hungry, but hey, hopefully this gives you an idea for something new to make for dinner or lunch, and enjoy it. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe if you want to follow us on our journey. But other than that, have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.